little ones. I'm Harry the Bunny. Look, Mummy made a yummy drink. Let's find out what it is. I'm thirsty. It's a white drink. Oh. It's a cold white drink. Whoa! It gave me a white nose. Yummy. It tastes just like the white drink Mummy pours on my cereal. Oh, of course. It comes out of the carton. I've got it. The white drink is milk. You pour milk out of a carton and you can have milk on your cereal or drink it out of a glass, just like me. I love milk. See you soon. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.